Armenia has appealed to the European Court of Human Rights over Azerbaijan's apparent abduction last week of 2 Armenian soldiers from Armenian territory. The Office of Armenia's representative on international legal matters confirmed to CivilNet today that Yerevan has formally asked the court to order interim measures to protect the soldiers' right to life and make Baku provide information on their condition. It was not immediately clear when the court may issue a decision. Last Friday night, Armenia's defense ministry reported losing contact with 2 soldiers transporting food and water between combat positions in southeastern Armenia. A few hours later, Baku claimed the 2 soldiers had been captured after crossing into Azerbaijani territory on a failed sabotage mission. Yerevan quickly rejected that version of events and said the soldiers were in fact abducted by Azerbaijani soldiers who had crossed into Armenian territory. Azerbaijan's Prosecutor General's office has opened a criminal case against the 2 soldiers on terrorism and weapons smuggling charges. The apparent abduction came just over a month after 2 Azerbaijani soldiers were apprehended and detained in Armenia's southernmost Syunik region. Baku says they had accidentally crossed into Armenia in poor weather, while Yerevan claims they intentionally crossed into Armenia on a sabotage mission. In diplomatic news, a senior official at Russia's foreign ministry confirmed over the weekend that his agency plans to open a consulate in the Syunik region, 2 days after CivilNet first broke the news, citing our diplomatic sources. The diplomat, Sergei Poltov, told reporters Sunday the consulate would be set up in an expedited manner, but did not give any timeline. Armenia's foreign ministry has also confirmed the plans, saying it greenlighted the proposal last month. Russia would be the second country to set up a diplomatic mission in Syunik after Iran opened a consulate in the strategically important region last October. Meanwhile, Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan has dismissed as incomprehensible Azerbaijani President Ilham Aliyev's insistence over the weekend that the 2 countries' borders be set on Baku's terms. Today, Pashinyan called on Aliyev to clarify, at a minimum, whether this means a renunciation of the agreements reached in Brussels, referring to a deal to recognize that international borders between former Soviet countries should be based on communist-era administrative boundaries. Speaking yesterday in the town of Lachin, which Armenia ceded to Azerbaijan last August, Aliyev warned that Armenia must accept our terms. The border will be where we say it should be. Delimitation should be conducted on our conditions, Aliyev said. In addition, Aliyev called for the entire government of Nagorno-Karabakh to resign and accept Azerbaijani citizenship as a precondition for talks, prompting a wave of condemnation in Stepanakert. A spokesperson for Nagorno-Karabakh President Arayik Harutyunyan dismissed the remarks as a manifestation of aggression. Amid the war of words, Pashinyan told lawmakers today that he has no plans to sign a peace treaty with Aliyev at a planned summit later this week in the Moldovan capital of Chisinau. And across the border in Turkey, incumbent President Recep Tayyip Erdoğan prevailed in an unprecedented runoff election yesterday, securing more than 52% of the votes and extending his 2-decade reign by another 5-year term. As international reaction continues to pour in, Pashinyan congratulated Erdoğan yesterday, saying he is looking forward to continuing working together towards full normalization of relations. In the wider region, the leaders of Azerbaijan, Georgia, Iran, and Russia have all sent their congratulations to Erdoğan as well. In the run-up to the vote, CivilNet aired daily segments with Robert Koptaş, the editor-in-chief of the Aras Armenian publishing house in Istanbul, to explore how the elections could impact Armenia's relations with Turkey and many more topics. You can look back at our full Turkey Votes series now on our website and YouTube channel. You can also check out the latest edition of CivilNet's weekly business digest, also up now on our website and YouTube. This week, we took a look at the latest move by the United States to sanction an Armenian company for doing business in Russia, an apparent row between Armenia and Georgia over maritime trade with Russia, and more. And as always, please follow CivilNet on all your favorite social media platforms for the latest news and independent reporting from Armenia, Nagorno-Karabakh, and the region.